Hello South Africa. 6 injured in horrific collision on the R546 in Secunda. A 26-year-old man is in a critical condition after the light motor vehicle he was driving was involved in a collision with a bus on the R546 in Secunda, Mpumalanga. The accident happened on Thursday evening, February 2, 2023. According to emergency service, R24, 5 adults traveling on the bus suffered minor injuries in the incident. R24 arrived on the scene at 17:25 along with the SAPS, another private EMS and the fire departments from Evander, Secunda and Highveld. The 26-year-old was found entrapped in his severely crumpled vehicle, which was still under the front end of the bus. Advanced life support interventions were initiated by the paramedics while the fire departments began the extraction of the patient with the jaws of life. Once freed from the wreckage, the patient was transported to hospital for further care, the emergency service said. 4 female adults and 1 male adult from the bus were treated for minor injuries and transported to hospital for further care. South African Police Service, SAPS, were on the scene for investigations. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.